Power Apps interview often include this challenge. Can you build a search that works on multiple columns and filtered by another condition? For example, searching for a qualification and name, but only for users over age of 20. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve this with real logic using both the search and filter functions. Let's dive in.
So we can implement the search functionality using the search function. So following is the syntax. Here we have the search function. Within the search function, we pass the data source name and then the search string and the column in which search needs to be performed. So as an example, so we have used here search function. Students is the data source name. txt search.text is this text box where the user will type in, and this name is the column, so where the search function will perform the search operations. Also, you need to write this search code in the gallery's item property, because when you type search keyword here, so your gallery will be filtered based on the keyword you type in the search text box. For example, if you have typed PU, so your gallery will be filtered with the name Purnima.
Let's see search in action for single column. Suppose here, if I type RA in the search box, the app will search for this text anywhere within the name, not just at the beginning. That means Rahul and Vikram appears in the result because RA is found inside their name. So now let's search for Purnima, and there she is. The result is displayed correctly. Multiple column search. But what if user want to search both qualification and name at the same time? In that case, a single search box is not enough. So here I have added two search boxes. One is for qualification and one is for name. The qualification name is txt search qualification and the name is txt search name. And let's see the item property here. So here is the code we are using. So this is using the nested search approach. So here first I'll search for qualification field, and then within that result I'll search for the name field. So let's see this action. So for qualification, let me search for BA. Now we got 3 records, and within these results I can further search RA. Now again we got 2 fields. So if I just refine it to RAH, so I'll got the Rahul. So this method gives you layered filtering using multiple columns. Let's see our third scenario, search with a filter condition. Sometimes, especially with large dataset, we want to filter the data first before applying a search. So here's our third example. So we have added a filter that limits the dataset to users where age is greater than 30. Let's see the item property. So in this code, so instead of searching full dataset, we have added a filter that limits the dataset to users where age is greater than 30. Now we can still perform our multi-column search, but only within the filter dataset. This is super helpful for improving the performance and targeting specific records. You can keep adding more conditions and columns to the search function based on your needs. And that's the wrap up on the Power App search functionality. So we covered single column, multiple column, and combining search with filter for large dataset. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and share this channel to support our work. Also, don't forget to download your free Power Apps Intro Questions ebook, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video.